Welcome to Iba Zambales. Long before it was a capital, this land was a lush paradise defined by the winding Bangkal River. The original guardians were the nomadic Aitas and Sambal people living in harmony with these rich hinterlands for centuries. In 1611, Spanish Augustinian missionaries arrived, founding the village of Painawen and planting the seeds of colonial change. By 1680, Dominican priests relocated the town closer to the river, where the vibrant community we know today began to take shape. Ever wonder about the name? It comes from the iba or star gooseberry, a fruit that flourished as locals and colonizers met. In 1875, the provincial capital rose, a sturdy stone sentinel that served as a prison, a revolutionary base, and now a seat of power. Flash forward to 1901. William Howard Taft stood there at the Iba Church, formalizing the civil government for the entire province. Local heroes like Juan Manday also left their mark, championing the cause in the Malolos Congress and serving as a dedicated governor. And let's not forget Iba's most famous son, Ramon Magsaysay, the man of the masses, who rose from this town to lead the nation. Today, the St. Augustine Cathedral stands tall, a symbol of Iba's enduring spirit and its rich historical journey. Discover Zambales!